Hello you all, and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. Yes, I'm back, and I'm back with a fantastic deal at Dollar Tree. So the question was asked in one of my someone dropped me an email and asked me, do I ever do Dollar Tree, and if so, can I please do a haul and show them what things are attached and will not attach. So, as requested, this is a request video. I might be hooked now on Dollar Tree. It was a little hidden gem. I used to coupon years ago in there, but the couponing had got really hard, so I stopped doing it. But I think I found a Dollar Tree I can go to. So first, guys, let's do what we need to do to get my subscriptions up. Hit like, subscribe, share my page, ring the bell, so you'll know when I'm having another haul. And let your friends know, people that shop at Dollar Tree, tell them to tune in so they can see how to get these deals. If you are oldie but a goodie and returning, hey, I hope you can use some of these deals and spread the word about Ivy's Coupon Camp. If you are a newbie, newbies follow my page. I do nice, cheap hauls, something that you can afford. This haul right here is a small haul, but I saw a lot of things I want. So let's jump right into this. Okay, this is at Dollar Tree, where everything is $1. I was asked, like I said in the beginning of the video, can I please do a Dollar Tree haul? So, as requested, I'm doing one. Not one. First of all, everything on the table was a coupon. I used a coupon for it. It makes me feel good because I don't feel like I'm wasting my coupons. I used to feel like I'm wasting them because I stopped shopping at the Dollar Tree. So now you all could probably be expecting a haul from me once a week at the Dollar Tree. Whether it be big or be small, expect one. The Oreos, I use the 75-cent off Nabisco, and it says the 3.5 ounce, that is 3.5 ounce. It was buy two for get 75-cent off. Of course, they are $1 a piece, right? So you got 75-cent off too. I used 2 coupons that I had on me at the time. I have plenty more, so I might be doing this haul again, so I can start donating to the kids' basketball teams that they own. Okay, the next was the hauls. Now, let me tell you something about the hauls. Make sure they 14 count. And this is the thing, guys. When I first started doing this deal, the lady said, oh, we don't take no coupons over $1. And then she said, wait, let me see if it'll beep. I used the one that was $1.25 for 2, and it said hauls relief. I wanted to make sure it was relief, so they did have those. The coupon went through, so it was fine. Okay. Snyder's Hanover. My daughter is gonna go berserk. She loved my 19-year-old. She lives for these things. She loves. I wanted the sticks, but I didn't have them, so that was fine. But Snyder's was buy two, get $1 off. So these were 50 cents a piece. Of course, I got 2 bags. The store that I was at, the lady actually told me when she get her next haul. She said the next truck haul will be in on Friday. Guys, when I get off work, I'm going that way. Okay, to grab some more of a couple of things I know that I will be needing. Now, the cereal. The cereal was that $2 off 4. It said boxes. As you can see, these did not beep. I picked up 2 Cheerios, 2 Cinnamon Toast Crunch, my favorite of all time. But my little granny, she eat these little Cheerios with them little tiny fingers, so she eat those. Again, the $2 off coupon did not beep. It did not beep. So I don't know if it's not recognizing the $2 off coupon, but I used it and it worked perfect. I did. It worked fantastic. So I went on ahead and got it. Okay. The fruit roll-ups, that's the Betty Crocker. buy two, get $1 off. I used 2 coupons and got 4. I got the Gushers in the back, as you can see. That's me moving the camera, guys, so I can get to pick up some stuff without getting in the camera. So I got the Gushers, and it's 4 in the box. It doesn't have a specific size. And then I got the roll-ups, which was 4 in that box. Okay, perfect. Like I said, no, not one coupon beat. $2, the Mott's, buy 2, get $1 off. You could buy applesauce, apple juice, whatever was Mott's. Of course, I went for the juice, which was the best. I bought 4 of those. They had tons of things there, guys, tons of things. But I only clipped a certain amount of coupons when I saw any size, any this, any that. That's what I clipped. Okay. These Ranch Blasted, they're $1. The coupon was 75 cents off one. The girl, even the lady behind the counter was like, "Oh, these is new. I wonder where they work." Fine. Not one coupon beat. Guys, every coupon that I cut, I used a Dollar Tree today. Now, I did cut some, because I was just going to do like the Colgate, the toothbrushes and stuff, but I decided no, that I don't need to do that, because if I do that, then that means I'm just wasting my time by getting something free. So I decided not to do it. So what I decided to do was I was going to just get what I can. I was going to get what I could, and then I was going to go to another Dollar Tree, which I am going to go to another Dollar Tree because it's some huge Dollar Trees. One thing I noticed that this Dollar Tree did not have, and it was like medications, Tylenol and stuff. They didn't have that stuff, so that's what I need to get. Now they had the sausage, the breakfast sausage in the refrigerator. They had a lot of the ice cream bars, the Twix and the Dove. They had tons of swab stuff, but they didn't have any body wash. It was so many things that they had. I was so surprised that it all attached. So altogether, I actually bought 23 things. This was the third thing. If anybody know me by now, they know I love Swedish fish. I did not have a coupon for those, but I will have a coupon for it soon, because I'm going to write the Swedish Fish Company or send them an email and give me some coupons. And I'm going to go right to Dollar Tree and pick them up. This is what I learned. Kind of go to a Dollar Tree where the people are a little friendly at. Because I actually went to a Dollar Tree that was around the corner from a work site that I was at. I just was trying to hit any Dollar Tree to see if it'll work. Fantastic. I bought 23 items. So wait a minute. I want to make sure I don't expose the store. I bought 23 items. See, 23. Took off $10.25 in coupons. I paid $13.50 out of pocket. Guys, this was a lot of this stuff on here. Now, let me tell you about Dollar Tree, because you can lose yourself in Dollar Tree when you are couponing. I will go into Dollar Tree to coupon for coupons that I know I will not be able to get the stuff for that dirt cheap in a regular store. Meaning Food for Less, Kroger, Jewels, hey, Target, wherever I need to go to. So I will try and use those coupons in a Dollar Tree. Now, all of these things, the cashier and the manager was like super nice. The lady said, "Oh my God, it's a lot of stuff on here that I didn't even know it was a coupon for." And the girl is like the coupon queen, the manager is. She just told me, she said, "If it beep, I'm not going to take it, because then we have problems with getting paid ourselves." Every single coupon went through. She said, "You got some good coupons." I said, "I got more too." She was like, "Come back. We got our truck come in on Friday." Now, how could I miss that? The truck come in on Friday. You know I'm going back. But don't get lost in Dollar Tree coupon for things you don't need. Everything I got on this table, I needed. My blasters, I'm going to do a dinner with that because I do dips. I do the tortilla bread toasted with different dips on it. With my kids, they drink tons of juice, tons of it. Of course, you know fruit snacks go out of style. I use Halls. Everybody in the house will use Halls. I have to hide them from the kids. The cereal, it's nothing like the kids grabbing a pack of those, dumping, eating them, snacking while we on our way to a basketball game or coming from a basketball game. The Snyder's, like I said, who doesn't love pretzels? Fantastic. And the cookies, I'm going to keep couponing. Go back. I got a couple of more of those coupons. Just a couple of more, though. I don't have a lot of them. And I'm going to go and grab the cookies and go ahead and get enough for my kids. But, hey, I enjoyed this haul. I want to thank the person that asked me to do the haul in my email. And I get people, you know, all the time at work, people asking, hey, do you do this store? And but they never ask me if I do Dollar Tree. Like I said, I did Dollar Tree years ago. And it wasn't too friendly to me, so I didn't do them again. I'm going to try tomorrow the start of Dollar General with the clearance, everything clearance 50% off. I'm going to try and do that if I can catch it. The problem is when I get off work, it's going to be in the evening. I won't be able to hit them up until then. So, but I was thinking maybe I can catch them before I go to work on my way there. So who knows, guys? Be looking out for a nice little deal coming up. Thank you all for tuning in. I'm really enjoying myself. I feel like I'm back doing what I love to do. And that's couponing and bringing you all these deals. Thank you. Bye.